Hello and welcome. To flush, clean, clear or reset your DNS cache, first, press Command and Space keys at the same time to launch a Spotlight. On the search box that appears, type terminal and once it appears below, click on it to launch. Here are the commands we are going to use. On the terminal window, type sudo space dscacheutil space dash flushcache semicolon space sudo space killall space dash hup space mDNSResponder. We are executing two commands back to back with a semicolon separating them. The first one flushes the DNS cache and the second one reloads it. Press enter. Type your Mac login password. Note that the terminal doesn't show the password as you type it. Press enter again. You have now successfully flushed your DNS cache. If it helped you, help me by smashing the like button. Subscribe to have access to my tutorials, comment to ask questions or to give feedback. Thank you.